Hello, everybody. Today we're back with another video. I'm still posting, but I had nothing to post recently. Don't know what to do, but yeah, I'm sorry for the delay. Okay, we started off strong. We got a 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Right here. There's the card. You might realize I have a hiccup. Excuse me for that. I don't know how. And I'm in a different setup place. I'm at my parents' house. I'm at my grandma's. But yeah. Italy. Colors. And yeah. Nice golden wheels, those things shine. Ooh, this thing's really getting the rest of me. Ooh. Next, we got a 1994 Audi Avant RS2. There's the card. This is the red one. You guys might know the blue one. But yeah. Look at that. Looks very good. My blue one's a little scratched up. So yeah. Put this one back here. Next we got the proper chopper. I'm sorry if you hear this screaming. That's my sister. Recently found out about a glitch with Infinite Health. But yeah, look at that. Spin. I do have the green one of this one that came out in like 2018. This one's really cool. Smells brand new as well. Next we got the new 1963 Mercedes-Benz 230 SL, aka the Penny Gull. Oh, we got this. Proper chopper. Yeah. I do have the white one that was released in the early 24. Yeah, there's the card. So some of you might have the white one, but this is the new looks like gold. I'm not sure, it's like a gold copper combined. But yeah, look at that. Very nice. Black interior. Excuse me. Very nice Mercedes-Benz sign right there. Oof. So yeah. Next we got something really cool. This Margaretti. I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, let's get to opening it. There's really no card to keep from it, so yeah, let's just tear it. I'm not sure. No, there's not. Oh my god! Had a school performance the other day. Massive headache. PB&J's got my stomach messed up. Now I got hiccups. Oof. Good part is that I got something to post. I'm gonna post a little leaker of the next video on my what's it called? Story. I don't know. But yeah, I'll say that at the end. The door's open. Community, that's what it was. Doors open. Beautiful 930. I've seen these and seen one of these in real life. It was just like black. If you ever watched something like Initial D, the Blackbird, it isn't really exactly that. It's a 9. That one is a 9. That's a 935. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I don't know what it is though. Big piece of tape right here. But this is the what's it called? There's a Ford tow truck right here. And there's my one of my favorite GT40s, which is a 2017, I guess, I think. I think it's somewhere around like 20. It's in the like somewhere around 2010. I think it was like 2017 or 18. I'm not sure, but there it is. Let's see. I haven't seen one of these in a while. So this is really, really light. First of all, I gotta say. And yeah. I have to figure out how to fix that. We got this awesome truck. I had this one with the Ford Mustang. Still do, but yeah. Really cool! That's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Ugh. Sorry about my hiccups, and I am thankful that you guys actually looked at my community. So yeah, and I hope I get some views on this one. So yeah, peace till the next one.